I'm not a drinker. I never have been. I'm not sober, but I just don't drink.
Yeah. If you don't have a problem with alcohol,
my older
you
brother
can't be
bought me
sober.
this, I don't know, like an airplane bottle of some sort of alcohol. I don't even know what kind it is. It's vodka. And it's just been living in my freezer because I don't drink. It's just like a shot's worth. But it's pineapple.
Yep, pineapple.
It's Stoli crushed pineapple, premium imported vodka, Stol vodka crushed with real fruit juice, natural flavors, certified colors, and FDNC yellow. It's gluten-free. And it is 30% alcohol by volume. That sounds like a lot. But I figured as long as I'm cleaning the whole apartment, I'm not going to bring this with me. I'm just going to chug it. I've never had vodka.
Make a face. Please make a face. Make a face!
I might have had it in like a mixed drink before. It just smells like pineapple juice.
Since you don't drink.
So, I guess just bottoms up. I want to make sure I have water.
Yeah. What? Yes! Yes!
I'm nervous.
There's face. That's how you know it's poison. Yeah! Dude, that's awesome.
Do the whole thing. It tastes like nail polish remover.
Yeah, that's how you know. Get it. Holy crap. That is an appropriate response to liquor. Proud of you.